Before we begin today's fascinating journey into coin history, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join Coin Discovery Old Zone, where every coin tells a story lost in time and found again by true collectors like you. Now, imagine this for a moment. You're holding in your hand a small piece of metal, no bigger than the tip of your thumb, yet it carries the legacy of a united continent, the strength of an entire nation, and the dreams of millions who believed in a new Europe. That small piece is this coin, 10 euro cents coin from Germany, minted in 2004. Like a T first glance, it looks ordinary, golden in color, light in weight, easily overlooked in your change. But what if I told you that this modest-looking coin hides a story of transformation, history, and even astonishing value? The year 2004 was a significant one for Germany and for the European Union. Just 2 years earlier, the euro had replaced the old national currencies, bringing together economies that had once stood apart. For Germany, the shift from the Deutsche Mark to the euro wasn't just about new coins. It was about identity, unity, and trust in a shared future. When the German mint released its euro coins, every detail was chosen with care. And among these coins, the 10 euro cents stands as a perfect symbol of craftsmanship and meaning. Take a closer look. On the reverse, designed by Belgian artist Luc Louix, we see the familiar European map, lines connecting nations, stars shining across borders. It's the same on all euro coins, symbolizing the collective strength of Europe. But turn it over to the obverse, and you see what makes the German version truly special: the proud Brandenburg Gate. That arch, once a silent witness to division, became a symbol of unity when the Berlin Wall fell. Every 2004 German 10-cent coin carries that gate like a memory, a reminder of how a nation healed itself and stood together once more. Now, here's something many people don't know. While millions of these coins were minted for circulation, a very small number came out with variations, minting errors, and special striking qualities that set them apart. Collectors call them unintentional masterpieces. A slightly off-centered strike, a double rim, or even a faint mint mark error. Tiny details that most people overlook can transform an ordinary 10 euro cents coin into a hidden treasure. And that's where the story gets truly interesting. Some 2004 10 euro cent coins from Germany, especially those struck at specific mints like Munich or Stuttgart, have become incredibly rare due to limited batches and pristine conditions. Over time, as the euro matured and collectors began tracing the origins of each coin, these rare editions started surfacing in private collections and auction houses. A few were found locked away in drawers, some mixed among pocket change, and some preserved unknowingly by travelers who simply forgot to spend them. It's these accidental survivals that give coin collecting its magic, because you never know when history might be hiding in your own pocket. For collectors aged 55 and above, the charm of a coin like this runs deeper. It's not just about metal or money. It's about memory that you've seen the world change. Currencies disappear, values shift, yet that same feeling of holding a real coin never fades. The sound of it dropping on a table, the weight of it in your palm, it connects you to the past in a way digital screens never can. The 2004 10 euro cent from Germany isn't just a currency piece. It's a bridge between old Europe and new, between the mark of division and the coin of unity. And for those who love the hunt, who know that patience and passion go hand in hand, this coin has become something of a legend. The coin collecting community. Whispers circulate of certain 2004 German 10-cent pieces selling for unimaginable amounts, especially those with rare minting quirks and flawless condition. Collectors across continents are still searching for those one-in-a-million specimens, hoping to uncover what might just be one of the greatest small coin treasures of the Euro era. Now, here's where the story reaches its golden moment. Imagine finding one of these in your old collection. Polished, untouched, the details sharp as the day it left the mint. Because of its rarity, historical significance, and collector demand, One such 10 euro cents coin from Germany, minted in 2004, has been valued at an incredible $3 million. Yes, you heard that right. $3 million for a coin that, at face value, could barely buy a piece of candy. It's living proof that history rewards those who look closer. Those who keep believing that even the smallest things can hold the greatest worth. So, before you dismiss that little golden coin lying forgotten in your drawer, take a second look. Check the mint mark, feel its edges, study its shine. You might just be holding a piece of European history, a symbol of unity, resilience, and maybe even unimaginable fortune. And remember, here on Coin Discovery Old Zone, every week we uncover more stories like this. Tales of forgotten treasures, hidden gems, and coins that change the world. So, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and stay with us on this incredible journey through time, value, and history, because you never know, your next discovery could be worth $3 million.